Okay, so today I'm making redstone staircase door, and I'm going to teach you how to make it. Okay, so I've created a schematic for this build. It's going to be in, like, the comments or the description or something, somewhere down, like, where you look at the stuff. I don't know where I'm going to put it or how, but I'll figure it out. It'll be down there. Okay, so these are all the materials you're going to need. These are just, like, the ground blocks. These are just random any blocks. This is just the stairs, and then this obsidian doesn't have to be obsidian. It can just be, like, any block that won't stick, but you won't see it in the build anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so for, like, the space of this build, you're gonna need, like, so basically wherever you want the staircase going down, it's gonna go like this way. You're gonna want to build 2 blocks out back, so counting this outer layer, 4 blocks this way, and 4 blocks this way. So go ahead and combine that. Oh wait, no, this can just be this, and then just dig 6 blocks down. So that's 6 blocks in all. And just take out this huge space. Okay, so the space should be a 9 by 12 by 6. And basically once you have that, then you start building. So, wherever you want the staircase down to be, you just go like, you gotta build this, and you gotta do like some of this here. I don't know, it's just like, not much to say about it. You just kinda do it. Obsidian, a couple blocks away. And then just kind of like copy whatever I'm doing here. 2 ticks, 4 ticks, 2 ticks. So you should have this, and that's like a side down. I can't show you that, it'll break the machine, but like this is the redstone you build for the thing. Okay, that might have been a bit fast. So 2 ticks here, redstone piece, 2 obsidian going this way, 2 random blocks here, 4 in all actually, and then 2 tick here, 4 tick here, and then redstone on the rest. Okay, that's like the entire thing for this. So now if I just go ahead and get a lever, I can break all this and hook it up. Actually, I should do this too, because that'll be ready for the next thing. 1 tick repeaters there, and activate this, and it's all active. It's all good. You can deactivate it too. Okay, so now that this part's done, we gotta start working on the side that comes up and pushes there. So basically, you gotta get a redstone torch here, where these 1 tick repeaters are, and then get something on top of this. Towards this, you put a block, and then redstone torch, block, redstone torch, block, and then 2 things coming backwards, along with a ring of this, 2 tick repeater, and then a couple of those. You can break that block, 2 more ticks, a block, and then make sure there's a redstone piece on top. If you forget that, then it'll be broken. But now you just need a piston there and a piston there, and then this is slime, so I'm gonna need honey, and I will place honey right here with some blocks. Actually, I'm gonna do dirt for grass for that, but yeah, that's basically that. But then you also need to add 1 more thing here with block of redstone on that, and then basically just piece here. So coming off of this, piston with a block of redstone and a sticky piston, just like that. And then 1 more thing, because this won't activate because of like whatever, I don't know, it won't for some reason, but if you do this, it'll update it and it'll activate it, so you gotta add that to it. So yeah. Okay, so now it should work. If I deactivate this, yep, that activates. Do this, that activates. It's looking good. But there's 1 more thing to do, and that's because there's gonna be more staircase here, and I'll show what to do. Okay, so right now I have this one activated, and I'm gonna just build the staircase here. But basically when you do this, what's gonna happen is if I activate this, that pulls up, and then I activate this again, it pulls back. So what we need to do is basically make it so this gets pushed here. So all you gotta do is make something like this, come off the wall with this, you know, observer, copper bulb, and then comparator with a block, and then just have it pushing into this here. So then if I activate this, as long as, if this is deactivated, then you want this to be activated. If this was the thing to activate now, then don't activate this, but basically, yeah, this should be activated, and then I'll push that forward. So now, if I activate this closed, it does that, and when you push it, it pushes it back. So yeah, now you just need to build the other side, and we'll be done. Okay, pretty simple stuff. So, torch, block, redstone piece, going backwards, dang it, just to get some more of this. In the back is where you place these two blocks, and then this actually goes up here, 2 ticks. So I can get ahead, I was supposed to place the pistons last, but make sure you get, that doesn't need to be there, but a couple ticks here, and then this here. Otherwise it'll break, of course. This is like an important part. So yeah, then just get piston here, block there, this here, slime goes on this side. Okay, I also can't forget about this part. Almost did, and then it would have broken everything. But yeah, make sure you have this, just like that side. Okay, deactivate this, and now wherever this is here, the stair right there, you have this here, and then just kind of activate this type of stuff. There's something, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore, but it's that simple. Just do that, and just this line right here of things, and now the entire thing is done. So, check that out, it closes, and then you activate that again, and it opens, and that's the build. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, so this lever being here is kind of a stupid spot, but if you go, like, back here or something, and then have, like, a redstone repeater, it can go, like, just make, you know, the activation wherever you want to. So, look at that. Activates, or deactivates, I don't know which one's activating or deactivating, but opens and closes. So yeah, that's the build. Pretty cool. Hope this was helpful, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.